Okay, guys, so lately I've been craving for watermelon, and I did this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're very much welcome. So today I decided to do this watermelon cut crease. Isn't it beautiful? If you want to know how I achieved this beautiful look, keep watching. And before we get right into the process, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon beside it so always get notified whenever I post new videos. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and also share this video to your friends. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I changed my name to Nigeria Girl Tries TV. So basically what I'll be doing now is be trying different Instagram makeup look varieties of fine, crazy, colored eye makeup look. That is what I'm going to be doing now. Yeah, so I hope you guys keep watching. Okay guys, I was really excited to post this watermelon cut crease. So what I do first is to keep my brows in place because today I decided not to draw any brows. So I used my Kylie glitter glue to keep my brow in place. To clean out my brows, I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. So I use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer to set my eyelid. So I went in with my beauty blender to blend my concealer. By tapping the concealer onto my eyelids, I blend it to prevent creases. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using my Charmlook eyeshadow palette and this blending brush to pack in a black shade of eyeshadow to my inner crease. To blend the black eyeshadow, I'm using my black opal eyeshadow palette and I used a green shade in the eyeshadow palette to blend the black eyeshadow to my crease. Then I went in with my buffing brush to buff out the green eyeshadow. I used this my cute eyeshadow palette and the lighter shade of green to buff out the edges of my deeper green eyeshadow to my brow bone. So to cut my crease, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and this flat precision brush to cut my crease exactly where I want my cut crease to be. I start by tapping the concealer right where I want my cut crease to be. Then I took this shade of eyeshadow and started packing it in the inner corner of my cut crease. Then I went in with this flat brush and also a red shade of eyeshadow in my back upper palette, and I start packing it on my cut crease. I wasn't really satisfied with the color of the pink, so I used a red color in my Charmlook eyeshadow palette, and it came out really pigmented. Then I went in with a tape to secure the edges of my eye. Then I used an angled brush to draw a liner shape with my concealer. Okay, so to fill in my lined concealer, I use this tube brush, and I really can't explain how I did it, but it's just a mix of different colors. I used the black shade, I used the green shade, and I used a really lighter shade of green. Just watch and understand the process. So guys, watermelon acid obviously, so I'm going to use my Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner to create a seed. I really loved the turnout of this watermelon eyeshadow. I feel like eating my eyeshadow. Anyways, guys, I've just cleared the edges of my eyeshadow. So today I decided not to do a full face makeup. I just said to teach you guys this watermelon cut crease. So I'll just show you the end look at the end of the video. And hope you guys enjoyed this process. I really had fun doing it, even if it took a lot of time. It was worth it actually. So I just love the way it turned out. Isn't it lovely? You feeling me?